Zion Williamson, you see the accusation that has been leveled against him of a former girl that he was involved with is saying that he raped and assaulted her. I believe it was 2020. I spoke about it a little bit early on the show. Listen, I don't know what the hell has happened. I don't know what's going on. I wasn't an eyewitness. I know I can't speak to it. I just think that the times that we're living in, when somebody can make an accusation, I find myself saying, to the guilty, I hope they throw your ass under the jail. To those who are innocent and being lied upon, it's sad because the presumption of guilt in this day and age, advent of social media and beyond, is going to be attached to you.
Zion Williamson, the New Orleans Pelicans star and former #1 NBA draft pick, is facing serious legal battles that have shaken the sports world. Two women have recently come forward with allegations that paint a troubling picture about the star athlete's personal life. The first is Jane Doe, who filed a lawsuit accusing Zion of rape and physical abuse in Los Angeles. According to court documents, their relationship started in 2018 when Williamson was still at Duke University and continued through mid-2023 while he played in the NBA. The lawsuit alleges a disturbing pattern of controlling and abusive behavior, including sexual, physical, emotional, and financial abuse. Jane Doe's claims are detailed and severe. She says Zion threatened her life and the lives of her family members, and that he would choke or smother her to the point she feared for her safety. Two separate incidents of sexual assault are described in the file. In the first, after being brought to Williamson's home, she claims he forced himself on her despite her refusal. About a month later, she alleges he violently attacked her again when she expressed a desire to visit a friend. Further allegations include Zion confiscating her phone and laptop to prevent her from reporting the abuse or seeking medical help. The lawsuit portrays a cycle of coercion, intimidation, and violence sustained over years. Jane Doe's attorney, Rachel Lanier of the Lanier law firm, calls the case a serious example of coercive control, using wealth and fame to silence the victim. She praised her client's courage in coming forward after months of medical treatment and counseling. Zion Williamson's legal team strongly denies the allegations. They claim the relationship was casual, not romantic, and ended years ago. They also accused the plaintiff of attempting to extort millions of dollars. Williamson's attorneys announced plans to countersue for defamation. Despite the denial, Jane Doe's attorney says they have ample evidence and witnesses supporting the claims and are determined to take the case to trial. No one is above the law, Lanier said. Amid this high-profile lawsuit, another woman, adult film actress Moriah Mills, has reportedly reached out to Tony Busby, a well-known attorney who has represented other celebrities' accusers, to consider her own legal action against Zion. Mills claims to have had a sexual relationship with Williamson starting in 2021. She has been vocal on social media over the past years about their connection, often responding to rumors and controversies. When Zion and his partner, Akeem Love, announced in June 2023 they were expecting a baby, Mills revealed alleged intimate messages and accused Zion of not disclosing his relationship status to her. Mills has also claimed that Williamson never told her about Akeem or the pregnancy, and has expressed frustration over feeling used and misled. At one point, she threatened to release personal videos, which resulted in her social media account being suspended. Her potential lawsuit is still being evaluated by Busby's firm with no specifics disclosed yet. In a TikTok video, Mills expressed hope that all victims involved get a chance to be heard and receive justice.
Everybody deserves a chance to be heard. I hope me and many of the other victims, I just hope we all get justice. And the amount of bashing, humiliation, slander, and threats that I've been receiving these last 3 years have been a lot, and it's causing me a lot of stress, emotional distress. And I just hope we all can come to justice and this all can be resolved and nobody has to relive all these things ever again.
Acknowledging the emotional distress and harassment she has faced, a turbulent time for Zion, who has also faced difficulties in his personal life. Akeem Love, mother of his child, was arrested in April on charges related to home invasion, stalking, and assault against a woman romantically linked to Zion. Love has been ordered to stay away from the victim and surrender her firearm. On the court, Zion's career has been marred by injuries and conditioning issues, limiting his ability to live up to expectations. Though he showed solid performance over 29 games this season, averaging 24.6 points and 7.2 rebounds per game with a strong field goal percentage of 56.7%, questions remain about his future in the NBA. The combination of legal controversies, personal turmoil, and professional professional challenges makes Zion Williamson's story a complex and ongoing saga. Both the court of law and public opinion will be watching closely as these cases unfold.